We are in a great situation. Our Drive for 5 campaign, trying to get our club up to 5,000 members and being the largest development program in the Mountain West Conference is pretty remarkable. It's just shows you the type of fans that we have, the support that we have for the Cowboys and Cowgirls. It's just amazing that we've been able to get to that point. The single most reason that the University of Wyoming and Cowboy Joe Club is so much more unique than other places that I've been around the country is that the University of Wyoming is the only public institution, four-year public institution in the state of Wyoming. So no matter what area of the state you travel in, there's one thing in common: the fans love to talk about their Cowboys and Cowgirls. There have been so many changes and improvements here with the university as well as the athletic department over the last 10 to 15 years, and I think there's still a tremendous amount of opportunity for us over the next several years. We know that all of you have so many choices to financially support other organizations around the state and around the region. We want to personally thank you for showing up tonight and supporting the University of Wyoming Athletic Department and the Cowboy Joe Club.